as you know, the concept is Mumbai in me actually. That's our tagline, and that's what we believe. There's always somewhere down the line Mumbai in me, and that's what we are trying to bring. The whole culture, the concept of Mumbai under one platform, you could say, or like you know, Mumbai is made of the seven islands. Seven islands. That's how Mumbai has come. That's how we are trying to construct here also. What is Mumbai? Mumbai is culture, art, Bollywood, food, music. It could be anything and everything. That's what Mumbai is. The people come from all over India and across the world and they want to live here. That's the spirit of Mumbai. That's what we are trying to live here. Thank you.
Well, the Mumbai Fest, first of all, I want to welcome the entire media to be here. Thank you very much for coming for the Mumbai Fest, for the unveiling of the Mumbai Fest logo, and welcome. Well, as Captain Avinash very nicely mentioned it, that what is Mumbai Fest? Mumbai, I feel, is one city which has a melting pot of all cultures. And that's what we're going to try and portray at the Mumbai Fest, with the seven islands, which is going to depict all the aspects of the Mumbai that we are. We are all Mumbaikars, and there's a Mumbai in me. As we said, that's our tagline, the Mumbai in me. Right? There's a Mumbaikar in everyone. And Mumbai is one city which is global, because I think around 3 lakh people from different parts of the states come to Mumbai, and only 1 lakh go back. The 2 lakh stay back into Mumbai. And Mumbai is one city which absorbs everybody. So this festival is going to show the melting pot, the culture that Mumbai is all about. Right? The various cultures, the various religions that live in harmony together. That's the reason we have one aspect which is known as the Peace Charter, where some of the top leaders, Dr. Lokesh Muni, Indradumna Swami, along with him, various sects and very religious gurus are going to all come and actually pledge for a peaceful India, for a peaceful Mumbai and a peaceful world. That's what the Mumbai Fest is all about.
Yeah, first of all, I thank the media for being here at JW Marriott on this day. First of all, I would like to tell you on 28th, 29th and 30th of December, starting on 28th 9 a.m. We start with World Peace Charter for 4 hours, and as Vinodji told that a lot of big saints and spokesmen are going to come and address the crowd. This Mumbai Fest is all about the spirit of Mumbai. This is the melting pot of all the religions, people from all the segments. And then throughout the event, lot of social cause seminars are, lectures are, and lot of organizations. I would say this is going to be the mother of all the festivals. In 3 days, lot of events are going to play. More than 5,000 artists. And in the evening, the Bollywood segment is there from 6 to 10. We have got Mika, who is going to perform. Ankit Tiwari is going to perform, so and so forth. Thank you.
Bilkul, absolutely. There is a mudda, the plastic-free Mumbai. We want plastic-free Mumbai. We want Swachh Bharat has already joined the campaign with us. So plastic-free Mumbai, Swachh Bharat, hunger-free Mumbai. Yeah. We want, besides hunger-free Mumbai, medication, organ donation, women empowerment. We're going to highlight all these at the Mumbai Fest. The Hare Krishna movement, the ISKCON, the Jains, the Swaminarayans, all the various organizations, whether they are Shia Muslims, Sunni Muslims, all the top sects, the Sikh community, everybody is going to come together as Mumbaikars and actually going to take the social cause forward. Swachh Bharat is one of the major ones, along with organ donation, the hunger that we have in this country. We want to get rid of the hunger, and medications. We want to give free medications. Try and make as much as, this is the social cause that we want to take forward. Besides giving the Bollywood, the glamour of Mumbai, we want to also highlight the social causes.
Yeah, we have, artists because of everyone's being presence, everyone all over the world. There's so many artists coming from South Africa, from Poland, or different part of the world also. There will be so many artists. And Indian. A lot of Indian artists is also going to perform. It's a big platform for everyone to perform here.
Yeah, I think we're going to also acknowledge senior artists who have not been acknowledged, in their specific field, like dance, music, culture, art. There are many lyricists. There are many forgotten heroes in this city of ours, who have worked very hard in many spheres. We're going to actually highlight them, and we're going to actually acknowledge their presence and honor them on the dais. We're going to have 4 different stages, right, where we're going to also have a fashion segment, which is going to be headed by Falguni and Shane Peacock, and various other brands. Then we have a main stage where we're going to have top celebrities and Bollywood artists who are going to perform.
Pranav, we would like to know your viewpoint.
Sure, definitely. Everybody says Mumbai has a soul. We are the people who are trying to give shape to that soul. And we hope that every Mumbaiker identifies with the Mumbai Fest. Thank you.
Sir, would you like to say something?
मेरी जगह पे इन्होंने इतना बोल दिया है, कुछ मेरे ख्याल से बाकी बचा नहीं है, तो मैं इनकी बात से पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ. थैंक यू.
These people have already explained you very well that what is concept of Bombay Festival. Basically, Bombay is India and India is world, which is going to be in 2025. We want to part of the mission of that, which we have for hunger, for Bollywood, for India, for tomorrow. This is the platform for everybody. Whosoever is a big name, fame, or even what it may say, he has explained very well that question is the forgotten people is also to bring in the limelight. This is our platform. And this mission is for that. Thank you.
I'm very excited, and I think it's very unusual. There have been a lot of different fests, but I think this one's going to be really a class apart because they're kind of bringing back, you know, 7 different, you know, islands that they're building. I just think that it's going to be a really fun place to go to, and it's a 3-day fest. And when I read the list of things that they have in it, it's just unbelievable. I don't know how you guys are going to achieve so much. Everything from entertainment to, you know, street food to like a cow gully and fashion and Bollywood and
Music.
What else?
Music, you
Music,
have art,
like you think
have,
of it and it's there. So I just think that it's innovative in that sense, and
Social cause.
Yeah, and there's a social cause attached to it. So I think it's really wonderful.
Shilpa, how would you be also involving yourself?
Today I'm involved.
That's a nice.
बहुत सी चीजें हैं जैसे आपने कहा कि entertainment से related भी there are singing है, dancing है,
Comfortable.
social cause है,
Comfortable.
other things also. Something related to health also or anything.
Yes, yes, Shilpa.
Yes, but they still haven't told me how they want me to be involved in that capacity. But today, I think most importantly, I think for people to know that there's something like this that's coming up. I'm here to play a catalyst in that, and I really hope that the news goes out, and I think it's wonderful, and you must encourage it.
What have you to say about this?
I mean,
Shilpa is definitely, what are the reasons to bring her on platform?
अच्छा ये भी अभी बोलना पड़ेगा हाँ बोलिए
Reasons he has told you.
she rightly said, it's all about Mumbai. As we see it, there's a Mumbai in me, right? That's what we can see, the Mumbai in her. It's all about Mumbai. That's how it's going to constitute, you know, the Mumbai festival, the Mumbai Fest. And we're all here for a cause, for a reason, to take the name of Mumbai across the globe. And we'd like to invite you on 28th, 29th and 30th of December in MMRDA ground for the Mumbai Fest. Thank you.
इसका मुंबई फेस्ट के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है
People are very united, like whenever there are these kind of occasions, जैसे marathon होता है, there are also
जी.
other things, you know. How is the spirit of Mumbai to be seen?
Totally. See, I just think that when you have something like this, and the Mumbai Fest especially, I think it's just kind of reminiscent of the ethos that Mumbai stands for, the heritage of Mumbai, the spirit of Mumbai, and it's kind of all-encompassing. So in what capacity I'm here, I just think that when I think of Mumbai, it's home to me and it brings me happiness. And that's exactly what the Mumbai Fest is going to do. And I'm pretty reminiscent of also happiness. So, yeah, that's the connect.
शिल्पा जी, आप कुछ जैसे आप तो बहुत जगह जो आप there as a guest and you see lots of things, कुछ आप कुछ चीज incorporate करना चाहोगे कि this thing should be there when there are lots of people coming?
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मैंने सोचा कि मैं लिस्ट देखूंगी और फिर मैं कुछ सजेस्ट करूंगी, लेकिन कुछ सजेस्ट करने के लिए there was no scope because they've incorporated everything and they're doing it on such a large scale. And literally 3 lakh square feet is going to be taken up, and 7 different islands with, you know, different things are going to be put up. So it's going to be a real 3 great days of enjoyment, entertainment, and satiation. Yeah, of your taste buds. Yeah, it's a really difficult word. Yeah.
I'm glad you said my name.
Yeah, satiation. Yeah.
Anything, do you feel there's a lot of cultural exchange also, like through
I think, Captain, would you like to
2,000
elucidate?
artists are performing.
Yeah, you know,
You say it.
Well,
Even
you know
more-
what, in the cultural aspect, I think so. We got nearly 2,000 artists performing of every genre. You know, because Mumbai has a culture where everything resides, from classical to contemporary to everything is there. So when you will come to the fest, you will see the folk dances of India, which you have never seen it before. You're going to see classical, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Odissi, Kathakali, all the classical forms, all the folk dance forms, all the contemporary dance forms. And you're going to see some beautiful bands performing. You're going to see Drum Cafe making Guinness Book of World Record history, where 2,100 drums are going to be played. And we're going to go into the Guinness Book of World Record by drumming together. And drumming for Swachh Bharat, drumming for Cleaner Mumbai, we're drumming for Hunger Free Mumbai, we're drumming for making it in such a way that the Mumbai Fest becomes the festival for people to remember and to look forward to coming every December for the fest. And this festival is not going to just be for India, it's going to also travel globally.
Future with guidance on financial prudence. We have our promoter, Mr. Kiku Sharda, who's a famous Indian film actor and a stand-up comedian who's also appeared in television shows. His claim to fame is that characters are following their own set of rules. The secret of their success is a unique and unusual styling and attention to details they give to each and every design. And we also have some of our dignitaries present over here. I would like to thank them for gracing the occasion today. We have present His Holiness Dr. Lokesh Muni. His Holiness established human value and communal integrity. Acharya Dr. Lokesh Muni is a social reformer, versatile thinker, writer and a poet. For the last 30 years, he has been continuously making efforts for establishing communal harmony, non-violence. The love anthem maker, presenting one and only Mr. Ankit Tiwari with us. And we have someone who is loved by all and she resides in our heart, an actor, an entrepreneur, an active health and wellness, and now she has her own YouTube channel dedicated to yoga, wellness and healthy eating. Please put your hands together and welcome Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra with us. I would request our members to kindly felicitate our dignitaries. With a bouquet of flowers. Welcome, sir. His Holiness Indudyumna Swamiji. Let's have a huge round of applause each and every, please. Mr. Ankit Tiwari. And Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Vinodi, come. Yes, please. The stage is small, but you can manage. Do it. No, not on the stage, on the floor. Yeah, there. Please, thank you. Thank you, sir. I love your comments. And your beard, too. Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3, go. Shravana Sundara Nama Ganapati Jnana Nath Gajananam Vigna Haranam Gauri Nandana Chadata Maudaka Bhuja Char Vibhushanam Jadita Mukuta Kati Pita Sohata Mushaka Vahana Duka Vinashan Jayata Jay Jay Jayata Jay Jay Jagata Rakshaka Jagapate Mamaripu Bhakshak Jnana Data Umagana Chata Dhagrat Glambo Dar Ikadan Tadha Dhagrat Glambo Dar Ikadan Tadha Dhagrat Glambo Dar Ikadan Tadha Ganpati Bappa. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vinodi.
Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello, Cash.
उपस्थित गुरुजी महाराज, आदरणीय गुरुजी और समस्त साथियों, मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आप यहाँ पर आए और आपने यहाँ आकर हम सबका मान सम्मान बढ़ाया। और हम लोगों का जो विचार है कि स्वच्छता और इसका, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मतलब हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि मतलब जो स्वच्छता है वो हम लोगों में आए। और मैं ये कहता हूँ कि जो हम लोग इस उद्देश्य को समझें कि जो हम जीवन में अर्न करते हैं वो जो है शुद्ध होना चाहिए, और जो भोजन करते हैं वो शुद्ध होना चाहिए और जो वातावरण है वो शुद्ध होना चाहिए। उससे जो हमारी वाणी है उसमें वाक शक्ति आती है, जो पहले के लोगों में होती थी कि जो वो बोलते थे वही होता था। अब हम लोग इसको पुनः अपना कर उस उद्देश्य को पूरा कर सकते हैं और आपस में एक दूसरे को मतलब आदरण दे के और सब में ईश्वर को सब में देख के उसको मान सम्मान दें तो उस उद्देश्य की पूर्ति होगी।
Thank you so much, sir.
So I'm speechless sitting right next to Shilpa actually. That's what we were discussing. Good afternoon, high respective guests, press and dignitaries on the dais. The idea of Mumbai Fest came into being during one of the discussions of the promoters who are all born and brought up in Mumbai. You know, as we keep on talking and we were discussing, there's Mumbai in me, right? That's the whole concept, how we can bring our Mumbai within ourselves and present it to the Mumbai and to the world. It's all about how we talk about Mumbai. What is Mumbai? It's a melting pot of culture. It's a melting pot of culture, it's a melting pot fusion of everything. People come across outside India, from India to Mumbai and they want to settle. Like Dr. Vinod just pointed out, there's some more than 3 lakh people come every month, you know, and then more than 2 lakh settle inside. That's Mumbai, that's the spirit of Mumbai. Mumbai Festival is, would like to just point out 2 things, is the festival is organized by the Mumbai Fest Charitable Trust, set up for a noble cause of building a healthier, hunger-free, litter-free, caring Mumbai through promotions and celebration of Mumbai culture and art. The fest is associated with causes like Swachh Bharat, plastic free, Mumbai blood donation drives, healthier Mumbai, Drum Cafe, world's #1 interactive drumming company is all set to go for the Guinness Book of World Record with 2,100 drums being played together for the first time ever in the fest. And you have just seen the demo of it. I mean, I would like to really thank Dr. Vinod and the daughter to do the honor for us. And the start of the Mumbai Fest is going to start with the World Peace Summit, which is going to be headed by Shri Lokesh Muni and Swami Ji. And would like to really thank for them to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good.
Yeah. You know, he's a finance guy, so obviously you'll ask for cash.
Oh yeah, that's right. Anyhow, this is the one and only festival that is going to encompass Mumbai in all ways. And you're going to see everything here, whatever you feel, whatever you think, and we hope that this festival becomes an expression of Mumbai.
Ah, well said. The Mumbai and me.
Thank you so much.
The president has to stand. Which is good because the dais is small and we have to adjust, you know, and we have so many dignitaries, you know. First of all, I would like His Holiness, I want all of you all to give a big round of applause for these 2 individuals who have been working round the clock all over the world to promote our culture. मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ी तालियां बजाएं, आपको आपके माँ की कसम है. And the most important aspect is that Dr. Lokesh Muni, who has been so kind enough to head the Peace Charter. We have 7 segments, and one of the segments, like Mumbai is a 7-island, one of the segments is a peace segment, and Dr. Lokesh Muni has been very kind enough to head this Peace Charter along with Indradumna Swami Maharaj, who has come all the way from America. He goes all over the world propagating the Krishna consciousness, just like Lokesh Muniji, who does so much of spiritual work. Not only that, they do a lot of social work and social cause. And they are only involved with the Mumbai Fest. You will never see Dr. Lokesh Muni and Indradumna Swami ever in a press conference, you know. And they are here for a simple reason. Why? Because they believe in the Mumbai Fest. And they believe the propaganda that we are doing along with this is the Swachh Bharat campaign. I want to, first of all, before I forget this at the end, I want to thank everybody who is here, who have come on my request, who have been here. My dear brother Deepak Pandit, who is here. A big round of applause for him. Thank you so very much for coming. Ram Bhai, who is here, Ram Shankar ji, Hamsika Iyer, all the, everybody, if I don't take Vipin Aneja ji, Ghansham ji, there are so many of them, Rishikesh Karmarkar, all these people. Please give them a big round of applause. They are all the artists who have come down specially for this. from Swachh Bharat campaign, I want you to please stand up, sir. Vinod Gargji and Sharma ji. Government of India, Swachh Bharat campaign has joined us. Harjeet ji, who's our treasurer, he said it very nicely. उन्होंने हिंदी में बोला, जब हम लोगों ने ये अभियान शुरू किया था, तो एक बोगी थी, और उस बोगी के पीछे मैंने सोचा था डब्बे लगेंगे, मगर ऐसा हो रहा है कि बोगी के पीछे बोगियां लग रही हैं, इंजन लग रहे हैं. अच्छा, he's correcting me, that's right. इंजन के पीछे इंजन लग रहे हैं. So a big round of applause for Harjeet ji. And we are really thankful for Shilpa to be here. Ma'am, you're an icon. We have done many shows together and promotions together. And thank you for being here. She's an icon, and in her own way, she's also a yoga, which we are going to promote in a very big way at the festival. Yoga is going to be there in a very big form, and I hope that Shilpa ji will be there along with us at the Mumbai Fest to promote yoga also, which is becoming global. India is being known for that now. Without wasting time, I just want to request all of you all, come and experience the Mumbai Fest. You're not going to just experience the 7 islands, 7 different aspects of Mumbai, but the actual melting pot, of culture. That is what Mumbai is all about. And we want to take this festival all over India, and we want to take it globally also. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Cash.
Yeah, cash. Double cash. Yeah, this is, I don't know what I started, on 28th, 29th, 30th, as 30th of 28th, 29th, 30th of December, we are going to have Mumbai Fest, and this is going to be mother of all the fest. Starting with World Peace Charter, heading by Lokesh Muniji, which he had been very kind enough in coming here all the way, and he never comes, other than his programs but he said Mumbai Fest is mera hai aur puri duniya mein main isko leke jaunga. That was something blessed. And I think after that, we went like a rocket. We are getting proposals from South Africa, New York. Let's see, maybe on 28th, 29th of December, we will be announcing that we are going overseas for this thing. We are promoting a lot of social cause. As Swachh Bharat has joined us. Food for Hunger is there. A lot of big NGOs like ISKCON, Brahma Kumari, then we haven't got the, lot of verbal confirmations are there. We are waiting for the writing confirmation. A lot of NGOs have joined up. So this is going to be a fest of entertainment and for the social cause as well. Thank you.
Basically, this is a concept for the country. Bombay is the city, Bombay is the India, and India is Bombay. So we are spreading to, because we are looking on the next 10 years, Mumbai is basically, India is going to be the world's #1 another next 5 to 10 years. Looking to that mission, let Mumbai be first part of the India, and India is first part to be the world. So this is a mission for peace, creativity, culture, dedication. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Hi. Hello. Okay, I'm largely here because of my father, Mr. Amarnath Sharda, who is the secretary here, and but he told me about the initiative. Then I met Harjeet ji, I met Avinash, Vinod ji, and got to know so much about the festival, which is extremely interesting. My father's from Rajasthan, from Jodhpur, and I am born and raised in Mumbai. So we are so much of Mumbai, and I mean, I love the way the city works. I love the way it functions. Now when I go outside Mumbai or outside the country anywhere, you're dying to come back to Mumbai. You're just dying to come back to Mumbai. That's the reason, I guess, that's the pulse of the city that forces you to kind of, always want to come back to Mumbai. And today, if we can have a festival where, we take the culture and the heritage forward, what better than that? There's art, there's our culture, then there's cuisine, the food, which I truly, truly love, as you can see, yes. So I love the entire concept of having a festival, a 3-day festival with a lot of other positives, the Peace Summit, connected to so many NGOs. I think it's a very, very positive thing, a very, very great step forward. So yeah, I'm honored to be a part of this festival. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Mumbai is a place where we live in.
Shane, everybody wants to see you.
Where we actually live in. So Mumbai is a celebration for us by itself. And being a part of Mumbai Fest, I think so that itself says a lot for a lot of Mumbaikars out here. We all want to promote a cleaner, greener, and a healthier place where we live in. I've come in on the Mumbai Fest as, taking the fashion island which they have and making sure that since Mumbai has a lot of Bollywood stars and fashion icons that stay in Mumbai, to promote that island where the festival will see a luxury and a lifestyle fashion week. So that's all I could say now. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone on the 28th, 29th, and 30th of December to celebrate Mumbai, the place that we live in. Thank you.
Please, thank you very much for coming. All the artists from here who are here from my fraternity, thank you so very much for coming here. All of y'all, all of y'all. And I want to thank Sampath Chaplotji. Sir, please can you stand up? He is the All India Jain Federation's president. He has donated 3 lakh bottles of water, for our the Mumbai Fest. Mr. Govind Saha ji, Kavin Saha ji, please uth jaiye sir. Thank you so very much. Saurabh Vora ji, please sir. Thank you very much. Thank you sir. Thank you very much for being here. And if I have forgotten anybody, please forgive me. There's too much happening. Thank you so very much.
Lokesh Mani to kindly share his views and his association with the Mumbai Fest.
मंच पर उपस्थित परम पूजनीय स्वामी जी, बहन शिल्पा शेट्टी जी, मुंबई फेस्ट के इस इवेंट के सभी संयुक्त जो आयोजन कमेटी है उसके प्रेसिडेंट, प्रमोटर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी और उपस्थित बम्बई वासियों। बम्बई हमारे भारत देश की आर्थिक राजधानी है। बम्बई को लोग मायावी नगरी के रूप में भी जानते हैं, किंतु मैंने सदैव देखा है कि बम्बई में जितने लोग रहते हैं वो जिंदा दिल इंसान है, और इसलिए मैं बम्बई से प्यार करता हूं और मैं बार बार बम्बई आता हूं। पिछले दिनों मैंने NSCI डोम में एक वर्ल्ड पीस कॉन्क्लेव का आयोजन किया और उसमें हिज ऑनर दलाई लामा और बाबा रामदेव के सहित जो हैं हमारे सारे इंटरफेथ लीडर एक मंच पर मौजूद थे। और इससे पहले मातोश्री बिरला सभागार में श्री रविशंकर जी के साथ हमारे भारत के वर्तमान के राष्ट्रपति जी मौजूद थे। तभी मेरा इस आयोजन समिति के विभिन्न पदाधिकारियों से संवाद शुरू हुआ और इन्होंने जो मुंबई फेस्ट की जो कल्पना की है उसके अंदर जो नोबल कॉज हैं उनको जो जोड़ा है कि कैसे हंगर फ्री इंडिया बने, हमारे यहाँ कोई भूखा ना रहे। इस मुंबई फेस्ट से जो ऊर्जा उत्पन्न होगी उस ऊर्जा के द्वारा जो है हम गरीबी और भूखमरी को कैसे मिटा सकते हैं। हम स्वच्छ भारत का जो मिशन है, हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस बात पर बहुत बल दे रहे हैं, जिसकी ज़रूरत है, बहन शिल्पा जी इस बात से बखूबी परिचित हैं। हम लोग विदेश में जाते हैं, निश्चित रूप से मैं आपसे कह सकता हूं कि भारतीय कल्चर का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है। केवल 2-4 चीज़ें हमारे यहाँ, पॉपुलेशन, पॉल्यूशन, करप्शन, कुछ चीज़ें और डिसिप्लिन, अगर ये ठीक हो जाए तो मैं समझता हूँ भारतीय संस्कृति पूरी दुनिया के अंदर जो है उसका कोई मुकाबला नहीं है। दूसरे के अंदर इस इवेंट के साथ में ऑर्गन डोनेशन का कार्यक्रम, ब्लड डोनेशन का कार्यक्रम, नेत्रदान का कार्यक्रम, कैसे लोगों को जो है जिनको शिक्षा और चिकित्सा के संसाधन नहीं है उनकी कैसे आपूर्ति की जाए। तो जब मुझे इस नोबल कॉज के बारे में पता लगा, मैं सहर्ष इससे जुड़ने को मैं तैयार हुआ। खासकर मैं दिल्ली से इसीलिए यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुआ हूँ और मुझे आशा है कि जिस तरह से मैं ग्लोबल सिटीजन फेस्टिवल से भी जुड़ा था और इस बार जो कल्पना ये लेकर के आए हैं यहाँ पर मुंबई फेस्ट के अंदर, मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले दिनों के अंदर ये मुंबई फेस्ट केवल मुंबई तक नहीं, पूरी दुनिया के अंदर जो है इसको लेकर के हम जाएं और इसके माध्यम से हम मुंबई को और हमारे देश को कैसे अधिक खूबसूरत बना सकते हैं। बंधुओं और बहनों, इस समाज का, इस राष्ट्र का हमारे ऊपर बहुत ऋण है। उस समाज के प्रति हमारा कुछ कर्तव्य बनता है, कुछ दायित्व बनता है, कुछ धर्म बनता है, और मुझे लगता है कि हम सभी मुंबई फेस्ट से जुड़ करके उस मिशन को पूरा करेंगे। भारत को कैसे जो है गरीबी और अभाव से मुक्त किया जाए, भारत के अंदर जो है जिन लोगों के पास शिक्षा और चिकित्सा के संसाधन नहीं है उन तक हम कैसे पहुंचे, स्वच्छ भारत के मिशन को कैसे आगे बढ़ाएं, और नेत्रदान, ब्लड डोनेशन, ऑर्गन डोनेशन के कार्यक्रमों से हम कैसे जुड़ें। मैं आज इस परिषद के अंदर ये भी इस बात से मुंबई फेस्ट को ऐतिहासिक बनाने के लिए ये विधिवत रूप से शायद जैन मुनि के रूप में ये एक पहला प्रसंग होगा कि मैं अपनी इस शरीर को जो है मृत्यु के बाद देह दान की घोषणा करता हूं। मेरे समाज के जितने भी लोग यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, कविंद शाह, सौरभ वोरा, राजीव और हमारे रूपेश जी, मैं कहना चाहूँगा न मुझे जलाया जाए, न दफनाया जाए, न पानी में बहाया जाए, मेडिकल साइंस को मेरे शरीर को ले जाकर के सौंप दिया जाए। और इसी तरह से मैं आह्वान करता हूं कि मुंबई फेस्ट के अंदर हम इसे पूरा एक अभियान का रूप दें, जिससे कि इस ऑर्गन डोनेशन की जो कमी है वह भी कमी पूरी हो सके। मैं इसी तरह से अपनी बात को संपन्न कर रहा हूं। ओम अरहम।
Thank you.
Begin by first offering my respects to Acharya Ji, who I just met for the first time this afternoon, and I hope that we have a long friendship in serving the people and serving the Supreme Lord as well. My respect to all the distinguished guests here this evening, and to the press and to the public as well. You have to forgive me that although I've been visiting your country regularly for the last 40 years, I probably spend more time in your country than my country. I don't speak Hindi. But as Acharya was speaking, I did hear the term noble cause on several occasions. And this is actually what has drawn me. Nowadays, Hindi is accented and punctuated with English phrases, I've seen. So noble cause, this is actually what has attracted me to participate in this event. I realized that for the city of Mumbai, which is, you could say, practically my favorite city in the whole world, as I travel the whole world. I love the cosmopolitan nature of this city. So many different ethnic groups, so many different social causes, so many different religions. It's really, as they were saying, a melting pot of different cultures. I appreciate it for that. And we're going to have a great fest. I've been going through the book here. I've seen all different types of entertainment, this, that, and other thing. But it wasn't the Bollywood that attracted me as a sannyasi to this event, but rather it is the underlying theme of this festival, bringing different cultures together. And this is not the first time that I've worked on such an initiative, and this is probably why I'm here, because my good friend, Dr. Vinod Hassel, we worked on a similar cause in the great country of South Africa many years ago. I was invited to lunch one day to the presidential palace of Nelson Mandela. He appreciated our movement in South Africa, and he loved our food. He loved vegetarian Hare Krishna food. He'd often come to our temple, so we became close friends. And one day he sat down with me. He said, Swamiji, I'm doing everything I can to try to stop my people from fighting. But they fight. We've abolished apartheid, but still the people are fighting. Do you have any suggestion from your culture, your Vedic culture that you're following from India, how we could stop our people from fighting? So I thought for a moment, and I said, Mr. President, I think that if all the peoples, the ethnic groups, the blacks, the whites, the Afrikaans, the Chinese, et cetera, come together under one roof and show their culture, this would bring down barriers. And he said, why is that? I said, because culture is the best thing that any society can offer. It's the best. It's the music, the dance, the poetry, the food, the love exchange between people. So let's have a festival where the black people, the white people, the brown people, the yellow people, they all come together and show their culture. He said, Swami, let's try it. We did. We had a major festival. Hundreds of thousands of people came. It was organized also with Dr. Vinod Hassel. I think that's one reason it was a success. And the result was that after that, the president called me. He said that festival probably was the best attempt we've had at social cohesion in our country since apartheid. It worked very well. And we were sitting there during the program, and he said, this is so nice. I can see people are appreciating each other's culture. It's breaking down barriers. He said, but is there anything else we can do? I said, yes, actually, the way that we can really bring peace and goodwill to not only the country of South Africa, but to the whole world, is to understand our common bond. We have many differences, and there's no harm with that. Variety is the spice of life. But if we really want peace in the world, we have to find what we have in common. And I said, Mr. President, you and I have two different colored skins. So it's not going to be our skin color. It may not be our religion. It may not be our nationality. It may not be our language. He said, what is it, Swamiji? I said, it's that we are all children of God. We all come from one source, from the Supreme Lord. I said, in my culture, we call him Krishna. Krishna means the all-attractive personality of Godhead. Other religions call him Allah. Some call him Jehovah. Some call him Yahweh. He's the same person, but in our Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Aham bija pita, that he is the seed-giving father of all living entities. So that means, actually, all of us are brothers and sisters. We have the same father. We're all brothers and sisters. I said, that is the message of India to the world for world peace. I said that India actually is meant to be the spiritual beacon for the whole world. Wow. The West... Wow. From the West, we can get science and technology and so many things. They make life a little bit comfortable, but they don't solve the real problems of life. This is a material world, after all, and our attempt should be to become self-realized and go back to the kingdom of God, back to the spiritual world. I said, India has the best food, the best philosophy, the best dance, the best music, the best philosophers, has best everything. So not only should we share this message in South Africa, I said we should share this message all over the world. So as we were going away from that festival, which was a great event, President Mandela turned to me. He said, Swamiji, this was the very best day of my life. He loved very much this message of India, how we can unite together on a spiritual platform. So that's my contribution here. I'm also going to come and see some of the entertainment. That's Mumbai. It's a thriving community. You've got the best entertainment. It's going to be wonderful. But let's get together and share this common bond that we are all, without distinction, part of one spiritual family. That is the message of India for peace. Let it be a message not only for India, but the whole world. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Just announce that you want to bring the troop from troop that you bring from Europe.
Yeah, actually, as a footnote, I have one program that's been traveling for 40 years around the world to almost every major city in the world. It's called Discover India. We share your culture. Although we're just your adopted children, I wasn't born in your culture and your land, but you adopted me very kindly. Thank you. As your adopted sons and daughters from 14 different countries, we have a festival tour around the world where we introduce the theatrical productions of the Ramayana, Sitaram, Lakshman, Hanuman, the Mahabharat. We introduce Kathak, Bharatanatyam, Odissi dancing. I give an hour-and-a-half lecture on the Bhagavad Gita everywhere we go. We show some martial arts, some puppet shows. We just finished a program in America. We went to Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Columbia University, Rutgers, all the big universities. We showed your culture. The result was every program we had a standing ovation. People love you. So I'm bringing that group from Russia and Ukraine and Moldova. I'm bringing that group to this great festival to share with all of you. Thank you.
I think so. That needs a big round of applause because Maharaj is bringing nearly 90 performers from all over Europe to be a part of the Mumbai Fest.
स्वामी जी के बाद मैं ये अवश्य कहना चाहूँगा और खासकर आप लोगों ने जिस तरह से हमारी बहन शिल्पा सेठी को जिन्होंने स्वयं ने योग के द्वारा अपनी कला के द्वारा जिस तरह से इंडियन कल्चर को प्रमोट किया पूरी दुनिया में, इस तरह के सब शख्सियतों को जो जोड़ा है, हमारे पलक जी सामने हैं। मैं इनके बारे में कुछ बोलते हुए थोड़ा डर लगता है क्योंकि इनको थोड़ा सा किसी स्वामी ने सताया था, वो हमेशा के लिए अंदर चला गया। तो लेकिन मैं ये अवश्य कहूँगा कि ये सारे वो लोग हैं जिनके माध्यम से संदेश जो है हम अधिक दूर तक और भारत माता की सेवा कर सकें। तो मैं बहन शिल्पा जी को भी, पलक को भी इस बात के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और हमारे अरिजीत सिंह आनंद जी को जिन्होंने सबसे पहली बार मुझे इससे जोड़ा और सारे इस समय जितने भी हैं, विनोद जी हैं, हमारे शारदा जी हैं, जय जी हैं, सभी मिलकर के, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये मुंबई फेस्ट बड़ा ऐतिहासिक होगा आगे के कार्यक्रम को।
Thank you so much for inviting me, Vinod ji, inviting me for this event, and I'm really happy. और अपने भारत का कल्चर कभी हमें सब पता होता है, हमें सब कल्चर पता है, लेकिन कभी कभी सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि अपना इतना इंडिया कल्चर इतना वास्ट है, इतना फैला हुआ है, और ये जो कॉज है ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और बहुत अच्छी है. और my team and my whole band is very excited for this show, for this event, and yeah, I mean, thank you so much.
Here, and how has your association been? I know, ma'am, born in Mangaluru, but been for the longest time in Mumbai, okay, and been longest time in Mumbai. So, what is your feeling about the Mumbai spirit in Amchi Mumbai?
पूज्य मुनि जी, जीएसटी चलने लग गया. Sorry. पूज्य मुनि जी, पूज्य स्वामी जी, all the members that are sitting on the dais, people present here, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear members of the press. I can't forget Captain Avinash ji and Vinod ji. First and foremost, Swamiji, I'd like to thank you for all the gracious compliments that you've showered on us. I take the carte blanche and say that, thank you for all the appreciation. Yes, we're very, very culturally bound, and I feel very proud to be Indian, to represent my country wherever I go. And it's truly an honor to hear such wonderful things coming from your mouth. And coming to the Mumbai Fest, I feel very happy that these organizers have actually even thought and envisaged such a humongous event, because I went through the list of things that they're trying to do. Obviously trying to encompass all the spirit, the happiness, the ethos, and celebrating so many different things. They're actually building 7 different islands over 3 lakh square feet and trying to recreate Mumbai and what it stands for. Everything from Bollywood to entertainment to art to heritage to food. Looking at Kiko. Food, health, fashion. So it's all coming together, and where there's celebration, there is positivity, and positivity must be welcomed. And that's the reason I'm here. I just think that also to be affiliated with such noble causes. So I'd really like to take this opportunity of using this platform to thank the organizers of thinking of something so noble. It comes from a good place. I wish you all the very best. I really hope I can be there to encourage the whole yoga and fitness and wellness initiative that you are taking via this cause. And I think Wikipedia has got a lot of information wrong. So when they say I've come from Mangalore, I'd just like people to stand corrected and say that I've been born and bred in Mumbai. I'm a true Mumbaiker at heart. And yeah, I feel happy, and thank you so very much for inviting me and to be in such august company. It truly is a privilege. Thank you very much.
Fitness and health, since there are a lot of awareness about fitness coming up. So what is your take on that?
Well, I just think that as celebrities, we endorse a lot of things, and many of which we're paid for. but there's some things that go beyond leveraging your name for only something that works in your favor. So I feel as a celebrity that has garnered a lot of love, a lot of appreciation and respect from people over the years, I felt I want to now give back. And while a lot of actors tend to do a lot of charity and give towards a lot of cancer institutions, you know, and encourage a lot of other charities, I really believe that precaution is better than cure. So to actually talk about health and wellness and how you can actually improvise your life and make a modification in your lifestyle, it's so easy. It's not rocket science. I just wish people took health a little more seriously. And I think fests like this, where people are celebrating food and health and, you know, coming together of communities, like Pujya Swamiji said, it's one place where there is no caste and creed. So like I said, and I reiterate, when there's a celebration of sorts, people will come together. And even if it's like celebrating yoga, and people are going to get their mats and put it down there and, you know, do it for that 1 hour on that day. At least it's, you know, it's an initiative. It's a great thought. And then they'll go back breathing, feeling good, feeling energized, and maybe they'll put some more energy into it and say, okay, maybe we should take this up. So I welcome initiatives like this. So yeah.
We hope to see you there, ma'am, to the island, the Heritage Island and the Mad Island. Which one would be your favorite? Which one would you like to visit and why? Should I repeat?
I can't not say Bollywood. I can't not say Khao Gali, you know, because they've got like a whole street food island. I'm a huge foodie. Contrary to people's belief, I eat a lot. So I'd love to go maybe to the street food island for sure. Yeah.
Kiku will join you.
Yeah, and Kiku and I will go together.
Thank you so much, ma'am. At the Miss Kavita Sheth, Roop Kumar Rathore ji, Hamsika Iyer, Suzanne de Mello, Arvinder Singh ji, Mr. Raman Mahadevan, Rishikesh Churi, Pundit Ronu Majumdar, Ghansham Gandharv, Makran Deshpande, Ajay Pohankar, Jalis Shirwani, Vikas Mitterson, Chairman, India Business Group and Advisory Board of Mumbai Fest, Shraddha Pandit ji, Prashant Ingole ji, Murtuzu and Kadir Mustafa, Shri Vinod Shukla, Chairman of Swachh Bharat, Shri Deepak Pandit, Ms. Kalpana Munshi, CFBP, and member of the Advisory Board of Mumbai, Prashant Sharma ji, DJ Shezwood, Mr. Raj Sharma and Mr. Vinod Garg from Swachh Bharat, and Parul Chawla, who is the lady behind the event and the PR from Picture and Craft. Thank you so much, all the guests, and thank you so much, all the dignitaries.
It's a Mumbai Fest, and I think ये बहुत हैपनिंग होने वाला है, और मैं ये 3 दिन का फेस्ट है, मैं उनमें से किसी एक दिन परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ, और बहुत एक्साइटेड है हम सब लोग, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, फिर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बहुत अच्छी हुई है, सो आई मीन या वी ऑल आर हैप्पी. बस थैंक यू सो मच.